Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for as-level exams. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam structure for each subject. This knowledge forms the foundation of your study plan. Next, create a realistic and consistent study timetable, allocating specific times for each subject. Remember to actively participate in class discussions and never hesitate to ask your teachers questions. This proactive approach will significantly enhance your understanding. To truly embed knowledge, embrace active recall methods such as flashcards or the blurting technique. Don't just passively reread notes. Crucially, practice past papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After completing them, meticulously review your mistakes. Understanding why an answer was incorrect is just as important as knowing the right one. This process solidifies your learning. Maintaining organization is key. Keep your notes and study materials well structured for easy access. Remember, effective studying isn't just about hours spent. Take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to refresh your mind and maintain focus. Furthermore, prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet. These habits are vital for sustained performance. For an extra edge, consider forming study groups with peers to discuss challenging concepts and share different perspectives. Always seek constructive feedback from your teachers on your assignments and progress. Their insights are invaluable. And speaking of bringing things to life, you can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals to enhance your study environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.